Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Barbara Burton. I'm Director of International Education at Illinois Central College. Illinois Central College is one of the largest community colleges outside of the collar counties of the Chicagoland area. We are a large and diverse community college. We offer a variety of programs, including certificate as well as college parallel programs or college transfer programs. You can take your first 2 years at ICC and transfer as a student into another college such as University of Illinois or Illinois State University, Bradley University, and other four-year colleges, and transfer in as a junior. We have about 200 international students that attend our college, and of them, many of them have relations who are working at Caterpillar, but we have a number of F1 students as well. And we are always excited and happy to have new F1 students attend our college. To learn about how to be an F1 student at our college, if you go to our website at icc.edu, www.icc.edu, you can go to the tab that says Future Students, and then down below, that's in the upper right, and down below in the lower left it will say International Students, and that will bring you to the documentation that is required for international student admission. We value our international students. We look at them as a resource to our community. They bring the world to our college and to our campus. We basically have activities especially for international students, including Hispanic Month activities, in which we have a Latin American coffee tasting, which we raise money for programs in Latin America. We do some work in Guatemala with the money that we raise from this coffee tasting. We have an international fair, which is an opportunity for international students to feature their culture, to serve food, and to raise money. And the money that we raise through this is used for international student scholarships. We basically have a club, Illinois Central College Community Club, which has many international students in it as well. We have international student orientation that we offer at the beginning of every semester, which allows new students to get to know each other, to get a tour of the campus, to get integrated into our campus community. We also offer on-campus housing at Illinois Central College. Our on-campus housing is an apartment complex that is associated or affiliated with Illinois Central College. It is partially furnished in that it has furniture such as couches, chairs, beds, chests, and all of the kitchen facilities so that you can actually cook your own food and live very close to campus right across the street. This has been a very good solution for many of our international students. It's very convenient. It has a lot of nice facilities. All of the utilities are paid and covered as part of the rent so that you don't have to deal with getting phone installed, gas company, and all of those utility issues. So it's very convenient for our international students. It's very modern and very comfortable, and they like it a lot. So we would love for you to attend Illinois Central College and think of us as an alternative for when you're looking for colleges in the U.S. We do offer full services for F1 visas, so you can apply to us and receive an I-20 from Illinois Central College, which will then enable you to go and take a visa appointment at your local consulate, your local U.S. consulate, and receive an opportunity to attend college as an F1 student in the United States.